Google and Facebook make it a pretty big deal. Powerful combo, so let's go out west to MacKenzie Sigalos in our San Francisco bureau to kind of hit all of these. And MacKenzie, let's start with AI and another big move in the race to spend big bucks on the hottest talent in Silicon Valley.
So you've got Musk, Altman, and Zuckerberg once again at the center of this AI talent war. So I've confirmed that today is the last day for OpenAI's recruitment chief. So she was only promoted to the C-suite this spring, and her job was to keep talent from walking out the door during one of the fiercest hiring battles in Silicon Valley, while also leading the company's most aggressive hiring push yet. So her exit comes as Sam Altman is scrambling to hold on to key executives while also fighting Elon Musk in court. So a legal filing last night showing that Musk tried to recruit Mark Zuckerberg to help finance a bid to take over OpenAI this year. Now, Zuckerberg, he is trying to steer clear of that fight, even resisting subpoenas for internal documents. But Meta, it is still deep in the talent wars. The company confirmed to CNBC just yesterday that it paused hiring for its new AI division. But then Bloomberg reporting last night that Meta poached another senior Apple AI exec as it undergoes its fourth restructuring in 6 months, trying to get all of those pricey new hires to work under the same roof. So the bigger picture here, Brian, OpenAI losing leaders at a critical moment, Musk circling, Meta raiding Apple and OpenAI.
The enemy of the enemy is my friend. All right, next up, Google scoring a massive deal, signing a $10 billion agreement with Meta. What exactly are they spending this money on?
Okay, so it has been a big day for Alphabet. That stock actually hitting a new intraday all-time high on two big pieces of news. Now, that first one you just mentioned, Google Cloud just signed a $10 billion deal with Meta, one of its biggest ever. It signals a real shift in what's long been this two-horse race between Amazon and Microsoft in the cloud wars. Now, Google already hosts Anthropic. It added OpenAI this spring, and it also counts Apple as a cloud customer. That momentum is really significant here. And then I want to also tell you about this second piece of news that really is helping to push up Alphabet shares this afternoon. You've got Bloomberg reporting that Apple is in early talks to use Google's Gemini to power a revamped Siri. They had been talking about using LLMs from OpenAI and Anthropic as well.
And rounding out the trifecta here, MacKenzie, despite the macro markets ripping higher, a Peter Thiel-backed crypto company is getting pretty crushed right now. What is the name and what is happening?
Okay, the name is ETHZ, and this Peter Thiel-backed firm that up until this week was called 180 Life Sciences, that stock is getting crushed today, down more than 31% last time I checked, after a filing showed that Thiel's fund and other major holders are offering shares for resale. Now, it had spiked earlier this month when ETHZ revealed a big Ether stake and Thiel's ownership, but those gains are now gone. The company has been trying to reinvent itself as one of those crypto treasury plays, similar to what Michael Saylor is doing with Bitcoin over at Strategy. But I will say this, Brian, and a very important caveat in the crypto market, this drop is not hitting Ether itself. The token rebounded to near record levels after Fed Chair Powell's speech earlier today, potentially hinting at that upcoming rate cut. I know you were debating that at the top of this hour.